Russia has lost a really astonishing amount of tanks, mostly getting damaged by mines and artillery now. But Ukraine has deployed a massive drone army to target both vehicles and soldiers. Ukraine both use kamikaze drones with shape charges to demobilize or destroy the tank, as well as drones dropping ordnance to completely destroy the tanks once abandoned. This could be done by anything from improvised small charges to hand grenades, shape charges, or even thermobaric hand grenades. Depending on where on the tank it gets hit, the warhead really counts. Watching a hand grenade hitting one of the least protected places on the tank, which is the top section over the engine. As a hand grenade is usually for anti-personnel, the penetrating power is low, as shown in the video. Even with a perfect hit, minimum damage is caused at some of the weakest areas. However, many of the abandoned tanks get their hatches left open, which leaves the drone operator to be able to aim in for the open hatch, causing complete destruction of the tank if the explosion occurs inside. Ukraine has cleaned the battlefield of hundreds of tanks this way, ensuring each tank can't be brought back into service. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.